Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add AI tools to Gmail, helping you boost productivity and transform your email routine in just a few minutes. Whether you want smart drafts, quick replies, or AI-powered suggestions, let's get started step by step. To begin, log into your Gmail account on your computer. Once you're inside your inbox, turn your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Next, locate the small plus icon on the sidebar. This button opens up the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can browse and install helpful tools to enhance Gmail. Once the marketplace opens, head over to the search bar at the top. And type in GPT, shortcut for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. You can also search for tools like ChatGPT, Compose AI, or any other AI-powered email assistant that fit your needs. After a brief moment, your search results will load. Now, browse the list and select the AI extension that best matches what you're looking for. When ready, click the install button beside it. A few prompts may appear asking you to allow access and confirm installation. Simply follow the on-screen steps and review any permission details carefully. This is required so that the AI can interact safely with your emails and function properly within Gmail. Once confirmed, the tool will begin installing. This process usually takes just a moment. Once done, the AI assistant will be added to your Gmail sidebar, ready to assist. From here, you might see a short intro or setup walkthrough provided by the tool. You can now start composing emails using AI suggestions, auto replies, and more right from within your Gmail. Not all tools offer the same feature. For best results, try out a couple of AI add-ons and adjust settings to see which ones fit your workflow best. And that's it. You have just added AI to Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.